The popular business axiom, what got you here won't get you there, is almost too obvious to be taken seriously. I mean, I could even accuse it of being a truism or a cliche, but my goodness, does it hit hard when you consider the current state of marketing.
Felt a great disturbance in the force, as if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror and were suddenly silenced.
Now, there are companies all over the world right now that are in trouble. And that's because what's been working for well over a decade to drive their revenue has suddenly stopped. 1 million voices silenced. Now, for the better part of 20 years, you could post blogs, articles, white papers, case studies, what have you, and you would rank in Google's search results. You'd get traffic to your website, and you'd cash in. And this worked for consumer brands, B2B businesses, mom and pop shops, and global conglomerates. Everybody was making bank with SEO. It's pretty much how marketing worked. But all across the fruited plain, ladies and gentlemen, website traffic is falling off a cliff. Companies are reporting massive drops in the number of people coming to their sites from Google, and SEO practitioners are kinda losing their minds. Day after day, I'm reading desperate pleas in business subreddits. I'm watching confused gurus trying to make sense of their situation, and I'm talking with business owners that are concerned about the future. These people are seeing the numbers drop, and I'm seeing it too. Now, I've talked about this before. The issue is AI, and specifically that AI is replacing both how you and I get information and how information is served up. A few years ago, it was hard to imagine a world where Google wasn't dominant. And to be clear, the behemoth isn't going anywhere. But not long ago, if you or I had a question or needed to know something, there was one move. You Googled it. And Google was how we got information, the only game in town. But the sun has set on that day. That day is gone. And now you've got a number of really good options. I'm using more and more of them today. I mean, Google's still king, don't get me wrong. But we've got LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. In fact, a couple weeks ago, Perplexity launched Comet, an AI-powered web browser, which means users won't even have to leave a browsing session anymore to go ask Google or even ChatGPT or Claude for more info. They just get it right in the browser as they're going. Now, like I said, Google isn't going to give up the throne easily, but the knives are out, and it looks like the God King bleeds. Add to this the rise of zero-click searches. That's when a user enters a query into Google and gets the answer directly on the search results page, and it's no wonder that SEO isn't working like it used to. The thing just isn't happening like folks imagined it would continue to. So what got you here won't get you there. Sadly, a lot of marketers and SEO practitioners are denying reality. They're hoping it's just a hiccup and that everything's going to be fine, man. Trust me, everything's going to be fine. Or a lot of them are just giving up. But there's good news. Just because juicing your content for Google traffic isn't going to get you to where you want to go anymore, you can still get there. There are new ways forward. There are new tools. There are new tactics and approaches. There are even new ways to use marketing classics, things like direct mail and traditional advertising and email, of all things. The only difference is that you and your marketing partners are going to have to be more creative, more intelligent, harder working. You can get to where you want to go. It's still possible. The world isn't broken. It's just changed. You can find new customers and you can drive revenue. Imagine that. You can do it without relying on SEO. It was a good ride. It was nice while it lasted. But kids, SEO is done. So let me know how the changes to search are affecting your business, and tell me what you're going to do about it down in the comments below. How are you addressing these changes? Are you denying it? Are you sticking your head in the sand? Are you going to keep doing the thing that you used to do before? Or do you have a way forward? I want to hear it. And if you're struggling to navigate this new world, I can help you. In fact, if you click the link below, you can join my free newsletter. I talk about strategies, insights, and so on to help you navigate forward. Never a penny, never a spam. Always nothing but beautiful content from Uncle Mike. And in the meantime,
may the Force be with you.